better get a big chip here.
Oh, you got the last 2 pieces.
You would have thought the kid who made the highest FFA award would have had more candy than that. Oh, well, I think he works for STEMI.
Yeah, here's the bigger dog.
To hold it down. Don't hit his head. Hold his head down.
Last year he actually had to go to the... Because they hold his head down. They have to take it.
Got to turn his head.
Make my wish come true.
Oh, that little car thing.
Like I said,
That's the end.